What if you could build a multi-million-dollar empire from your laptop? No office, no employees, just you and a tireless AI partner. This isn't science fiction. It's the new reality for a select few who've cracked the code. Meet Alex. In under 3 years, he turned a simple idea into a $20 million business. His secret? Not a big team or huge funding, but a system powered by AI. Alex started as a typical solopreneur, doing everything himself: marketing, customer service, content, product development. He was successful but trapped. His income was tied to his hours, and burnout was looming. The breakthrough came when he asked, "How can I remove myself from 90% of operations without the business collapsing?" The answer wasn't hiring more people. It was building an autonomous, AI-driven system. Alex began delegating not to people, but to algorithms. He stopped seeing AI as a tool, and started seeing it as the core of his business. He envisioned a company fundamentally driven by AI, not just assisted by it. This is how he built a scalable, profitable empire as a team of one. It's a story that redefines what's possible for individuals today. And it's a blueprint for anyone ready to stop trading time for money. Alex's story isn't unique. It's the start of a global trend. All over the world, people are using AI to build businesses that once required entire teams and big budgets. This isn't about replacing jobs, it's about creating a new kind of entrepreneur. These micro-multinationals serve global audiences with the efficiency of Fortune 500 companies, without the overhead. AI translates content, manages customer support, and runs targeted ads in multiple languages. The only real cost? Subscriptions to AI services. You don't need a PhD to join this movement. The most successful AI entrepreneurs are creative problem solvers and systems thinkers. They break down processes and hand off the repetitive parts to AI. They orchestrate a digital symphony, making AI tools work in harmony. The tools to build your own empire are available to anyone with an internet connection. This is the new gold rush. The only question, will you stake your claim? How did Alex build his $20 million machine? He used a 3-layer system: intelligence, automation, and leverage. Intelligence is the brain. AI handles strategy, market research, and competitor analysis. Automation is the muscle. AI executes tasks like content creation, email campaigns, and customer support. Leverage is the megaphone. AI-powered ads and distribution put your message in front of millions. Each layer builds on the last, creating a self-sustaining growth engine. Intelligence decides what to do. Automation does the work. Leverage amplifies the results. This is how a one-person business achieves the reach of a corporation. The 3-layer system turns a whisper into a roar. Theory is great, but execution is everything. Here's the step-by-step framework Alex used. First, deconstruct your business. Map every process, from first contact to final delivery. List every task, no matter how small. Next, categorize and prioritize. Identify which tasks require your creativity, which are repetitive, and which are in between. Prioritize based on time consumed and ease of automation. Start with the low-hanging fruit. Then, select and integrate your AI tools. Build a stack, where each tool connects seamlessly. Don't collect isolated gadgets, create an interconnected system. Finally, monitor and refine. Oversee the system, tweak prompts, and improve workflows. As automation grows, shift your focus to strategy and vision. Your role evolves from worker to architect. The goal: elevate yourself to CEO of your one-person company. Start small, iterate, and scale. That's how you build an AI-powered business. Why is this model so effective? It's not just the tech, it's the economics. First, it eliminates marginal cost. Serving the 10,000th customer costs the same as the first. AI handles infinite queries, and digital products scale endlessly. Second, speed. AI can launch and test campaigns in hours, not months. It adapts in real time, outpacing bigger, slower competitors. Third, objectivity. AI makes decisions based on data, not ego or office politics. It's ruthlessly focused on what works. Finally, it frees you to focus on creativity and strategy. AI handles the how, so you can focus on the what and why. This partnership, human creativity, machine execution, is the secret sauce. It's more powerful than either alone. That's why AI-driven businesses win, and why you can too. The next frontier? The zero human business, what I call the autonomous corporation. Imagine a business that identifies needs, creates products, markets, sells, and supports customers, all on its own. With AI, decentralized finance, and smart contracts, this is becoming reality. These businesses will operate 24/7 with no payroll or office. The first wave will be digital software, media, and online goods. For creators, this means the ultimate passive income. Design the system, set the rules, and let it run. The opportunity: architect a self-sustaining value engine, the 4-hour workweek, taken to its logical extreme. Let's bring this back to you. The story of Alex and zero human businesses isn't just for tech geniuses. The real message: AI is the most powerful amplifier for human potential ever created. It's your unfair advantage, your personal leverage machine. Throughout history, new tools have given us leverage. Now, AI gives us leverage over cognitive labor. You don't need to be an AI expert, just an expert in your field who knows how to use AI as a lever. Writer, let AI handle research and distribution. Coach, let AI manage scheduling and client comms. Artist, let AI run your store and marketing. AI doesn't replace your talent, it frees you to use it. The danger isn't AI, it's falling behind those who use it. Start small. Automate one task. Feel the time you get back. That's your first step toward your own empire. We've covered the story, the system, and the future. But here's the bottom line. The gap between your current life and your dream life is a system. AI is the next evolution of building that system. The tools are cheap, accessible, and powerful. You don't need a big budget, a co-founder, or permission. The only mistake is being a passive observer. Don't just watch, start using AI. Give it a task, write a marketing email, analyze a trend, get your hands dirty. The barrier between idea and execution has never been thinner. Your ability to learn and adapt is your greatest asset. For those who embrace this, the rewards are immense. More time, more freedom, more impact. The blueprint is clear. The only question: what will you build? Stop dreaming. Start building. If you want to see how people are already designing these AI-powered systems, subscribe and follow this series, because this is just the beginning. The story of how a single creator, one computer, and the right AI can build an empire that never sleeps. If this opened your mind, you'll love what's next. We're exploring how AI founders build businesses that run on autopilot. Subscribe to stay ahead, because the next video could redefine how you work forever. Watch next: how to build your own AI.